Knock the Hero here. I have a Pokemon model kit today. It is an Eevee. Look how cute it is. I got this from a local hobby shop. I used to do model kits as a teenager, and I wanted to revisit, but I wasn't ready to go full on, head first into a really complicated one. So the Pokemon ones look like they're very simple. Very fun activity for like someone younger to kind of put together as their first model kit. There are 2 smaller runners and 2 bigger runners and some stickers. Very important. Look at the instructions. It seems pretty complicated, but it's actually not. This is actually one of the smaller sets of instructions I've seen. One of the fun parts about this kit is that it actually came with 2 different head styles. I chose to go with the happy one because it just looked so cute. Had a bit of trouble here trying to figure out where that goes. It's just because I'm dumb and I couldn't see the forest for the trees as far as where this piece goes. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Hey, there you go. See, just look how happy this Eevee is. I could not pass this up for the plain bland face that also came with this kit. If you want a plain Eevee, then be my guest, but I loves me a happy Eevee. I don't know why I bothered with the stickers up front. They do kind of give some character, some shading. I hate shading. I don't understand. That looks like a head joint. Not the kind of joints that I'm used to, but pretty, I would say it's probably pretty common for just some swivel action. And there we have Eevee's head. Stick. Maybe it's just me, but I never noticed that the inside of Eevee's ears were like a darker brown color than the rest of Eevee. It's kind of like how I think all cats have pink inside ears, but they really don't. Now, I was worried about this point because I thought it was very strange that you pop the ears in after you put the head together, but they popped in pretty easy and they actually had really great motion. I was rather impressed with that. You could pose the ears in many different ways. Time to work on the fluff, the chest fluff. Now this piece was very strange to me. I didn't quite understand it until the whole model gets together. But I saw that circle with like the 4 different prongs and I was just like, what is that? That's weird. Now those are also some interesting kind of joint type pieces. They belong to the legs, and I had some worries about me being able to get this piece together, but the pieces actually fit snugly in there while you're trying to get it together. They are important pieces though, so don't lose them. I was wrong, I think that's actually the body. Thought it was a leg. That piece was very confusing too. I don't know why, but it just didn't fit right in my brain that it should be like that. But that's how it goes. It makes that little V shape. Almost lost it. Almost lost it there. Questioning if it actually is in there correctly, because the way that almost happened. You can see my camera kind of started tilting back the wrong way. Did I drop something? What's going on? Got another little foot. That one didn't go on quite as violently. Yeah, we got body pieces. What's going on? We got body pieces. What's left? The tail. One little white mark left. Come on, you can figure it out. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I believe. Hey, there we go. Look at that beautiful tail. Oh, how dare you try to drop it. Yes, I am scolding myself. The legs actually move pretty nicely. I was kind of expecting them to be a little loose. Not really sure why I thought that. Particularly the back legs are not quite as posable as the front legs. The front legs have ball joints that let you kind of be wild with them. Oh, I almost popped it out. Don't do that. It's got the body with some legs. Now the tail. Tail's pretty spendable. I guess if you want your Eevee's tail pointing a specific way. This piece, I really could not believe it just sat on there. It's never that easy. I don't know. But there you have it, an Eevee. Pretty easy kit. Very low price range. I want to say it's in the $10 price range. And I was actually really happy with how many moving parts it did have. Got some more stickers. Gotta put them on the feeps. Eevee has toe beans. I use my X-Acto knife because I am just clumsy when it comes to putting on tiny stickers. Come on, you can do it. Just get it on there. It's just a tiny sticker. Don't let it defeat you! Might need some tweezers. This X-Acto knife thing is not working out. Not quite the right task for a craft knife. Oh my god, that's frustrating. Stop it. Leave it alone. Push it down, call it done. Like I said, there's another head that you can put together. Well, another face. It doesn't really have another head, so to speak. I don't know how easy it would be to get the other face off, but here we have an Eevee. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute and adorable. Cannot believe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! Oh no! Oh no! Stop it!